India is fast emerging as the voice of sustainability post its historic G20 presidency. The call for adopting a sustainable way of life and the progressive themes on SDGs. Technological transformation and digital public infrastructure are critical in building an equitable world order. Hitachi India, a committed partner in India's growth journey for over 9 decades, resonates on the same frequency, placing sustainability at the heart of its purpose. By pioneering sustainable solutions in the areas of energy, mobility, payments, IT, e-education, and e-healthcare, among others, we are steadfastly supporting the Government of India in achieving sustainable development goals. The ideals of human-centric technology, financial inclusion, and carbon neutrality are at the core of Hitachi's social innovation business, enriching our long legacy as we expand our footprints to uplift millions of lives and propel India's rise as a sustainable global power.